There are two questions that I get all the time. Number one, how often should I post? And number two, is there a best day or even time of day that I should be posting? We are always trying to find that algorithmic sweet spot that some guru or statistic told us would help us go viral. But the reality is that platforms prioritize people's content who spend time on that platform, posting, engaging, scrolling on a consistent basis. And I know that sounds like a lot, but it doesn't have to be a big to-do. I'm talking like, a picture of your dog on the floor at your feet and you say, my work buddy for the day. Or maybe you post a simple inspirational quote. Or maybe it's something as simple as, hey everyone, I'm looking to find a new podcast on personal development and mindset. Any recommendations? So when you're there on a very regular basis, commenting, posting, engaging, that platform will prioritize your content. So consistency is so much more important than how many times you post and when you post it. Now let's move on to episode number 7, where we will talk about engagement, and I will give you a daily social media checklist, things that you can do every day to engage that will help you grow your audience.